Alright, this is Kyle with Homeqwik here at 1643 East Laguna Drive in Tempe. This is a nice quiet neighborhood, just about 2.5 miles south of the main ASU campus. This here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, coming in at just about 2,000 square feet. Got major upgrades throughout the entire home, so why don't we go take a peek. Alright, peering in through the front door here, first thing you'll notice is the gorgeous 18-inch tile floors that take you straight into the living area and the kitchen there. But first, to our right, we've got our formal living area or dining room. We've got upgraded fans throughout. You'll see some more of those. To our immediate left is the laundry room. Door to the side yard. Washer dryer hookups in that nook. Standard 2-car garage. Heading back around and walking straight away from the front door. To our right, I'll start to see these upgrades here. Got the gorgeous granite counters, upgraded appliances, stainless steel, mocha colored cabinets, gorgeous backsplash. It's really the entire kitchen's redone. Alright, looking right over the countertop here, that's our family room. Doors into the backyard. As you can see the pool there. But we'll head right. First door on the left, guest bedroom. Double closet here, built-in shelves and drawers. Out of this bedroom, to our left again, same granite counters. Same wood cabinets in this guest bathroom here. Nice tile surrounding this bathtub. Out of this bathroom and to the left will bring us to the second guest bedroom. Same built-ins in this closet. Alright, let's go to the other side of the house. Right, pretty much right across from the kitchen. Got our master bath. Little closet there. Dual sinks, his and hers. Again, you'll notice same granite counter, same cabinets. Nice walk-in shower. And here's the master bedroom. Lots of space in here. Second closet for the master. Alright, that's about it for the interior of the home. Let's check the backyard. Alright, looking out into the backyard. See a nice sized pool. Security gate surrounding. To our left, a little stone side yard. To our right, got a little bit of grass. Got a nice sized storage shed as well. Alright, well, about wraps it up here at 1643 East Laguna Drive in Tempe. This is a gorgeous home, upgrades galore. So act fast. Give us a call at Homeqwik at 602-792-5353. Thanks for watching.